darn it, we have math next.
It's not that bad.
Really?
It was so loud and he drank a Fanta. Oh man, that was horrible.
Time for math.
Yeah. When is our math teacher gonna get here?
I don't know. I think we have a substitute.
Dang it, I like our math teacher. He's fun.
Wait, do you hear that?
Hello, students. My name is Mr. Schneider, and I'll be your substitute teacher. I'm sorry. Is there a problem? I hope not, because I have ways of dealing with problems.
Is this a joke?
Is that how you see my authority? A joke? You call graduating Harvard at age 7 a joke? Well, I have news for you! The only joke I see here is how your tiny brains can't fathom how awesome I am! Any more questions? Good. Let's dive into our lesson. Today we're going to learn about rational equations. How exhilarating! So, who can tell me what rational numbers are?
Aren't they numbers that can be expressed as fractions of...
Ow! Raise your hand.
Sorry.
Yes,
Aren't rational numbers expressed as fractions of two integers?
correct.
Where does he get all these markers? I don't know. They must be growing in his pocket or something.
Okay, now I will give you an example of a rational equation. Okay, does anyone know how to solve this problem?
I'd be surprised if you knew how to do that.
Then surprised you shall be.
Ow! How do you have such good aim?
Okay, I will walk you through it step by step. It's quite simple, really, for me. As we solve this equation, keep in mind that the goal is to isolate the a. Now the first thing we must do is factor a squared minus 36. The next step is to multiply everything by the least common denominator. Who knows what that is?
It's the... Oh, sorry. It's the smallest numbers all the denominators can multiply to.
Correct. And what would that be in this equation? What do all the denominators have in common? Yes?
They both multiply to a plus 6, a minus 6.
Precisely. Now multiplying by the LCD cancels out the denominator of the first fraction, the a minus 6 in the second, and the a plus 6 in the third. And that leaves us with the following. Now we must use a distributive property and multiply accordingly. And now we have a plus 2a plus 12. Then we combine like terms to get 3a plus 12 equal a minus 6. This should look familiar because it is a basic algebra expression. We have gotten rid of the rational numbers. Now I assume you know how to do the rest.
You subtract a from both sides and then you subtract 12 from both sides.
Excellent, and that leaves us with 2a equal negative 18. Class, how do we get rid of that pesky 2?
You divide both sides by 2.
Very good. Therefore, a equals negative 9.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Clapping. The ghost of other math teachers.